The Speedcam alert service helps you drive safely and anticipate road hazards by alerting you to risk areas in real time. This service informs you of speed cams all over Europe, accident hotspots, through audible and visual warnings. If you haven't yet subscribed to the Speedcam alert service, you can do so now at our online services store. The Speedcam alert service is available on board whenever connected navigation is active, with the TomTom traffic logo displayed at the bottom of the screen. If not, refer to the video tutorial explaining how to set up and activate the connected navigation. Let's start configuring your service. From the navigation screen, click on Menu, Settings, and then on the Alerts tab. Activate Risk Areas Alert. Then click on the triangle to set up your alerts. Configure the desired settings for safety zones showing accidents, hotspots, and danger zones showing speed and traffic cameras. Click on OK to confirm. Then go to the Map tab and tick Allow Declaration of Danger Zones. This setting allows you to alert other drivers in the TomTom user community of the presence of a speed cam on your route. Confirm by clicking on OK. Return to the main navigation screen. Click on the Map Settings icon and tick Danger Area to have your alerts displayed. Your service is now correctly configured. When driving, you will now be warned by visual and audible warnings of the exact location of traffic cameras and their distance away from you. Note that the services are modified in certain countries to be compliant with local legislation. These pictograms will inform you of the different types of cameras and hazards encountered on your journey. To report a speed cam on your route to the TomTom user community, click on the triangle on your screen. Select the type encountered and confirm by clicking on OK. Now you can safely enjoy the road with your Speedcam alert service. Happy motoring!